Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to charge back your money on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your device. Once the app is open, you'll see the main screen, also called the home screen. To request a refund or get your money back, you need to locate the specific transaction in your transaction history. To access this, look for the clock icon or the section labeled Activity at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to see a list of all your recent transactions. Scroll through the list to find the transaction you want to address. If you have many transactions, you can use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the person or business associated with the payment. Once you've located the correct transaction, tap on it to open its details. In the transaction details, you'll find options depending on the nature of the payment. If you want to request a refund for a payment you sent, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the one labeled Request Refund or Refund and tap on it. After selecting the refund option, Cash App will prompt you to confirm your request. It will display the amount to be refunded along with the recipient's details. If everything looks correct, confirm the refund request by tapping the OK button. The recipient will then be notified of your refund request. Keep in mind that the recipient has to approve the refund for the money to be returned to you. If the recipient doesn't respond or denies the refund request, you can take an additional step by contacting Cash App support. That's it. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.